How's it going, everyone? It's Sam. We are doing a very short video today just because I already covered Workhorse in a video earlier, and there's just a little bit of news that I wanted to cover because the stock's gone down so quickly right after opening. So if you guys like this, please leave a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. Please hit subscribe if you haven't hit subscribe already, because I do Workhorse updates and other stock updates very regularly. I'm actually going full time next week on YouTube, so definitely be on the lookout for that. Also, if you want 3 free stocks through WeBull, you can sign up using the link below. They do have some big stuff coming out with WeBull. I can't talk about it yet, but WeBull is still giving those 3 free stocks if you deposit $100, so check that out. So Workhorse is down pretty significantly today, and I did buy earlier this week. I actually did a video on that. However, they are down 6.3%, and I just did a video early this morning, so you should definitely check that out. Pretty interesting on Workhorse in a recent interview by their CFO, kind of giving us more guidance. But I think a lot of people are probably asking, why is it down 6% right after the opening? Why is this happening? And the only thing that I have seen is that Jim Cramer, talked about Workhorse in his lightning round. So he's on Mad Money. He talked about how he thinks Workhorse is a show horse as far as he's concerned. That is really all that he said as far as I can tell in all the articles that I've read on it. So he's not really giving a bunch of information about it. He's just saying that he thinks it's overhyped. He thinks it's overvalued. Right now, the market cap's at $1.7 billion. We're talking about a possible $6 billion contract. Even if they only got half that contract with the USPS, and actually it's a little bit over $6 billion, but even if they only got half that contract, that's $3 billion. Let's say it takes 6 years to get that going and to be able to fulfill all those orders, I should say. That's $500 million a year. So we're selling at a price to sales just over 3 right now. That's really not too rich when you consider that Tesla's usually in the 10 to 20 range. There are some other stocks like Shopify, they're almost 60. Just for an EV stock, I don't think this is too high, and actually we're seeing it drop even more. I think that just a lot of people put a lot of weight in these famous personalities like Jim Cramer, but we've talked about it before. I think that we'll start to see even more dropping off before the election, but I think towards the end of the year, the stock will go up. I know a lot of people are holding long term, or at least holding for the USPS contract decision. That's what I'm doing. After we get that contract decision, I think the stock price will go up, but I am planning on holding on to it until then. Now, I am planning to buy more if it keeps dipping, and I think my next buy-in price is right at $13 a share. So I feel pretty good about the position I'm at now, but if it drops significantly a couple more times, I'm still going to buy in. I'm still going to increase my number of shares. So I've talked about that in a previous video too. You can definitely look through to find that. But let me know what you guys are doing. Again, this was just a very short video. I didn't want to draw it out or anything like that. But thank you guys for watching. Thank you for supporting the channel. We do have merch down there before. If you are interested in retiring early and getting to reach financial independence, definitely check that out. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. Thank you for everything that you're doing for the channel and checking out WeBull. Thank you for hitting the like button, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.